Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to turn on or turn off Narrator, voice assistant, in Windows 10. Click Start button, click Settings. Click Ease of Access. Click Narrator. Use Narrator on position. Press the Windows, Control, and Enter key to start Narrator. Choose a voice from a list. You can also select Narrator audio output device. If you want to turn off Narrator, simply press this option. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.